Hi teachers, do you make PowerPoint presentation regularly? You need to draw object by using shapes? Welcome you all to learn MS PowerPoint tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to draw an orange by using shape step by step. Please take a quick look like this orange. Is it nice? So let's start. Before starting this drawing, we need a blank slide. Go to the Home tab, click on New Slide and select Blank Slide. Now, go to the Insert tab, select Save and select Oval Shape from the basic shape. Okay, now click on the slide. Increase the size of the oval. Okay. Now change the color. Select orange and outline color. Increase the weight 4.5 and change the line color. drawing is almost done. So you can place it in the middle of the slide. Okay, that's fine. Now go to the slideshow. It's pretty nice to look. Our drawing is complete. I think it is very nice to look. So we can give an animation, just like with an effect from top. Now it's time for slideshow. Wow, that's very nice too. Dear teacher, our next video on how to draw watermelon in PowerPoint. It is easy drawing step by step, so please be with us. Thank you for watching our video. If you want to support us, please share, like and comment us.